Okay, so this is just some information on how to resolve issues with your 2018 Honda Civic. So if you end up taking it to a shop and they're doing a battery replacement, or you're doing a battery replacement yourself, or if this just happens to you in general, this is how to kind of resolve these issues. What you may be experiencing is the buttons on the left side of your steering wheel, so the volume, the infotainment, the talk, ending, those, none of those work. On the door, none of these work while the car is off, so especially the unlock and lock. You may be experiencing, all of those symptoms, and then, your keyless entry won't work, push to start won't work. You may not have the light sensing for the dash indicators and everything like that. It's going to dim very, very low, and you'll have to manually set your brightness. And that goes for also the screen over here as well. So you're going to be having a lot of problems, and there's one super easy fix. You don't have to mess with the fuse box under here, nothing like that. It's just going to be a quick and easy fuse under the hood to replace, and you should already have a replacement in the compartment itself. So you won't even have to go out to the store and get any of those. So it should be a completely free, easy way to fix this. Now I'll go ahead and get under the hood to show you what's going on there. So as for the quick and easy fix, your fuse box is going to be on the right side of the car. So engine, right side. You just got to pop these tabs on the side. So back to and front should pop right off. You'll have your fuse puller here, and then you should have a red one that says 10 here. But the one you're going to want to replace is this top one right here, 10. This one is labeled as backup. That, I guess, is for all the backup systems and everything like that. And you'll even see here, 18, it's a 10A backup. That is exactly where that is right there. Once you pull it out with the fuse puller, replace it with the one that you already have there, all your systems will come back online, no problem. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. Super easy fix. Don't waste your time. Nobody else seems to know this problem, but there you go.